Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a video that even myself didn't expect to be doing because we are going to be doing my second Creepy Crate unboxing. How cool is that? Are you guys creeped out yet? Booga booga. So I came home from staying at my boyfriend's house for the week and I saw this package sitting outside my front door and immediately got super excited because obviously by the looks of the box I knew right away this was going to be a creepy crate, and I am so excited. I had so much fun unboxing the last one. I think we got a lot of really cool stuff in there, so that's what we're going to be doing today. If you guys want to find out what is inside this creepy crate box, then let's go ahead and get started. Those of you who do not know what creepy crate is and are interested in finding out, I will of course have a link in the description box, but to kind of summarize it, it is a bi-monthly subscription service where you get a box that is all kind of creepy things, horror things, really cool creepy horror alternative goodies basically, and it's kind of like a way to spoil yourself every other month without spending too much money. 39 bucks every other month, and that honestly is not bad at all. So if you guys are interested in learning a little bit more about Creepy Crate, I will have a link right at the top of the description box. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get to cutting. Also, I just want to say thank you so much to Creepy Crate for sending over this second box. This was so unexpected. I didn't even know I was getting a second box until I literally saw it sitting outside my front door. Okay, so I got it cut open. We're gonna open it together. There we go. Ta-da! So here's what it looks like on the inside. It looks like we have some more worms, Graveyard Girl would say. So it looks like we also got another little sheet that tells us everything that we have on there, but I'm not going to look at that until the end because I don't want any spoilers. Let's go ahead and start with the very first thing that I'm seeing, and it looks like we have a little notepad. Oh my god, how cool! Okay, so this is just like a little tiny notepad right here. It has like a bunch of symbols and stuff. Why do I feel like this reminds me of the Zodiac Killer? I'm very old school. I like to write down grocery lists. I like to make notes, write down physical notes instead of typing it in my phone all the time. So something like this is like super perfect, and I love how organic this looks. Like the way the binding is sewed up. I don't know, I think this is super rad. And the next thing that we have in here looks like another book. And that's the other thing about Creepy Crate, is if you're someone who likes to collect books, if you're someone who likes to read books, you get a creepy book in every single box. Every single time you get one, you get a brand new book. And this one is a book by Darcy Coates, and this book is called Voices in the Snow, and this is a Black Winter novel. So here's what that one looks like. This one looks a little thicker than the last one, which the last one we got was the Bram Stoker's book, and I've read a little bit of it. Very slow reader, and my mind does a lot of running and I overthink a lot of things, so sometimes it's hard for me to focus on a book, so it does take me quite a long time to read a book, but it actually looks really fucking cool. I love the cover of this one. And on the back it says, Claire remembers the cold. She remembers abandoned cars and children's toys littered across the road. She remembers dark shapes in the snow and a terror she cannot explain. And then, nothing. When she wakes, aching and afraid in a stranger's gothic home, cool, tells her she was in an accident. He claims he saved her. Claire wants to leave, but a vicious snowstorm has blanketed the world in white, trapping them together, and there's nothing she can do but wait. This kind of is giving me like Misery vibes. At least the stranger seems kind, but Claire doesn't know if she can trust him. He promised they were alone here, but she sees and hears things that convince her something else is creeping about the surrounding woods, watching and waiting. Between the claustrophobic storm and the inescapable sense of being hunted, Claire is on edge and increasingly certain of one thing. The car crash was not an accident. Something is waiting for her to step outside the fragile safety of the house. Something monstrous, something unfeeling, something desperately hungry. Oh my god, I'm actually so fucking excited about this. This sounds like a fantastic book. I'm actually more excited about this one than the last one we got, just because this one seems more up my alley, more of that like realistic, like creepy feel. So this is definitely going to go next to my bed, and I'm doing this new thing where I want to try to read a chapter of a book every night, like one to two chapters every night. I don't know, I just think that would be something like super cool to achieve, especially for me. So, alright you guys, moving on to item number 3. I don't exactly know how many items we are getting in this box, but, oh, cool. Okay, so we got another pin, and if you guys remember from last month, we got a Krampus pin, and if you watched that Creepy Crate unboxing, I loved the pin and I had the perfect place for it. Now I have another one I can add to it. This one kind of looks like a book with wings, so it does have a very like creepy vibe to it, and I dig it. I fucking love this. This is so cool. So here's what this pin looks like. It's a book with wings and a crying eye. And next, let's see what else we have in here. It looks like we have a clothing item, which I am very intrigued with. So I am just going to very carefully try and dump all the worms back in the box. Okay, so let's open this. You guys, oh my god, this is fucking rad, dude. So it is this t-shirt right here, and it says I heart dairy with a little balloon heart. If you guys have no idea what dairy is or why the heart is in a balloon, and you've obviously never seen it, and you don't know who Pennywise is, and that makes me question your reason for living. Just kidding, but seriously you guys, this is so fucking cool. Let's see, and it is a small, so that's good because I am a very small person, but this does look like a very large small, which I'm not mad at. My two things in my fashion life in my closet is I absolutely love band t-shirts and horror movie t-shirts. I've actually considered doing videos on like my horror movie t-shirt collection and my band t-shirt collection. If you guys want to see that, let me know. But this is the perfect shirt to add to my horror movie collection. I actually don't have any It inspired t-shirts, so this is my first one and I'm fucking excited about it. Oh my god, I love this. Alright, and I don't think we have anything more. Oh, yes we do. Fucking sweet. So I saw one more little item in here, and I think it's the last item in this box, and it is a little die. Looks like this, but instead of it just being colored circles, it's fucking skulls, dude. Like, look how cool that is. Holy shit, I am shook. Now, oh, there's a set of 2. There's not just one, there's 2, so I gotta try to dig in the box and find the other one. Oh, there's 2 more items in here. Okay, let me do some digging really quick. Whew, I found them. There is actually a set of 2 dice in here, and they both look the same. They both have like the really cool, creepy skulls in the middle of them. God, this is so fucking sweet, dude. I love this. And the other thing that I didn't see in there was actually a keychain. This keychain is called the Undead Horde keychain. So we're gonna open it up. It looks really fucking cool, and I have the perfect place to put this because I'm the kind of person when, if you look at my keychain, I'm one of those people that hoards keychains, you know? So this is like perfect, and this is fucking sweet. The front of it are like little dead bodies just hanging about like that. Oh my god, that is so cool. This would actually be kind of cool to take this apart and make earrings out of them. Like, that's something Graveyard Girl would do, and that's something I would do too, honestly. Here's a better look at the body here. And that is everything that we got in this creepy crate. You guys, I like this creepy crate about 10 times more than the last one. We just got a lot of really, really cute knickknacks. T-shirt is definitely a favorite. I really, really, really like the memo book. This will fit perfectly in my purse. And I'm honestly really excited about this book, and that's something that doesn't normally happen with me. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Creepy Crate. I had so much fun doing this unboxing, and I'm pretty sure they also gave me a coupon code. I will double check and make sure that that code still works, but I do have a coupon code with them, so if you guys would like to purchase a Creepy Crate for yourself, you want to save some money, you can go ahead and use my code. Again, I will have everything that you need to know down in the description box. That is everything that I have for you guys today. I really hope, oh my god, I just got bangs again, and I don't even know how to like work my life with these things. Really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to go down and give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, if you are new here, don't forget to go down and subscribe to my channel. I do upload every 3 to 4 days here. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!